What is going on, guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute Wednesdays. So today I'm gonna tell you about where to store your SD cards. Yeah, SD cards. Yeah, so you may have a lot of SD cards, but you don't know where to store them, and the cases are expensive. So all you have to do is use these. Well, these are the back cover of your lens and the body cap of your camera, and they just like screw in together, and you can store your SD cards in here. And practically these are free, but actually not free, but they are free. You get what I'm telling, right? Just use these and your SD cards are gonna stay in here protected. I don't know about waterproofing, but they will be in here. Thanks for watching and peace.